The facade pattern offers one simple door into a complex system. A single call like watchMovie hides many subsystems, so the client uses just one unified interface. Picture a home theater built from many Java classes: Amplifier, Tuner, StreamingPlayer, Projector, Screen, TheaterLights, PopcornPopper. To play a movie, the client must call many methods in exact order: dim the lights, drop the screen, power the amplifier, set volume, switch the projector to wide mode, then start the player. The client must know everything. Look at this client. It holds references to all 7 subsystems and orchestrates every step itself. Starting a movie means a long, fragile sequence. Ending it repeats the same chore in reverse. If one subsystem changes its API or order, the client breaks, and this code gets copied everywhere. Here's the solution. We create a home theater facade that wraps every subsystem and exposes 2 friendly methods: watchMovie and endMovie. Inside, the facade calls each subsystem in the correct order. Now the client simply writes HomeTheater.watchMovie Interstellar. The messy choreography stays sealed within the facade, keeping client code clean and easy to understand. Look at the diagram. The client talks to just one home theater facade. From the facade, simple arrows reach each subsystem: amplifier, projector, screen, TheaterLights, and StreamingPlayer. Remember, every subsystem still works on its own. The facade only adds a convenient front door. It doesn't hide or lock anything away. Look at the old way. To play a single movie, the client must call 8 subsystem parts one by one in exactly the right order. It's tangled and easy to get wrong. Now the new way. All those steps collapse into one line: HomeTheater.watchMovie Interstellar, and to stop, just HomeTheater.endMovie. That's the power of the facade, hiding complexity behind one simple interface. A facade gives you one simple interface over a tangled subsystem. It loosens coupling and removes repeated orchestration, while the subsystems stay available for advanced use. The payoff: easier onboarding, looser dependencies, one place to fix ordering. Client calls facade, facade drives subsystems.